Hi guys! Good afternoon! Quick update lang tungkol sa student visa for Canada. May nagtatanong kung open pa rin ba? Yes, open pa rin pero mas mahigpit na ngayon. Now, here's how you apply. Okay? Unang-una, kumuha ng letter of acceptance galing sa designated learning institution. Okay? Pangalawa, secure your provincial attestation letter. Tinatawag din itong PAL, P-A-L. Pangatlo, step 3, ipakita ang proof of funds at least Canadian 22,895 para sa living expenses. Parang show money yan, okay? Step 4, apply online at canada.ca. Madali lang, basta kumplito ang requirements. Now, tinatanong mo siguro, anong course ang magandang kunin? Importante ito. Kaya you have to really check kung ano yung madali kang, anong course na madaling makakuha ng trabaho dito. Ito ang mga top picks. Okay? Ang una-una, IT and computer science. Tapos, healthcare and nursing, engineering. Lahat yan in demand at good pathway to permanent residency. Now, after graduation, mag-apply ka ng post-graduation work permit para makakuha ng local experience dito sa Canada. Then after nun, pwede ka na mag-apply for PR via express entry or provincial nominee program. Okay, so ang tip ko lang dito is that 2-year programs ang ideal para sure ka sa PGWP and PR eligibility. Okay? So, don't wait. Canada is still open for your dreams. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa kasi kaya mo to. Yun lang po. Bye! Comment lang po dyan sa baba. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.